Raining out Monday in the Florida Keys, 9 a.m. on a Monday, December 7th. A day that will go down in infamy. President Roosevelt's famous speech. Trying to help somebody today. We're building a house over there. But we got rained out. Just doing some rebar. Putting in the base. All the boxes are built. The base of the house there. We got the rebar going. Concrete's going to be... But man, we might have to stop. I think it's going to rain all day. Just one of them days in the Florida Keys. Yeah. Oh well. Can't do nothing about it.